And there you go. We can make unlimited $5 using this free website. Hello everyone, this is Chronicles, where we'll be teaching you how to make money online. With this channel, I will be teaching you how to maximize your potential earnings using your internet, your laptop, your PC, and your mobile phones. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new strategy or earning content. Also, make sure to watch all the way to the end because it shows incredible proven strategies that I've personally witnessed. Now, just before I explain some proven strategies, websites, apps, kindly leave a comment below stating, "I am from insert your country." This will help me identify your location accurately so that in the future I can ensure that every video I release is tailored specifically for you. So, share your country's name in the comments section below. Stay tuned and watch the entire video, as I will also provide some bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Here you need to become a member first of their community. Then second, contribute by completing surveys. And number 3, collect great rewards. Meaning the life points you collect in participating in their online surveys can be spent in your rewards of your choice. Now we will start by signing up our account. Alright, please check out my video description for the link and where to register. You need to enter your first name, last name, email address. Confirm your email address, create a password, and confirm your password. And after signing up, you will receive an email confirmation to confirm your email. In your dashboard, you can see different rewards depending on the length of the survey. For example, the survey number 1 contains 120 life points within the maximum length of 34 minutes. The second one, you can get 60 life points within the maximum length of 15 minutes survey. And the third one, they will give you 100 life points with the maximum length of 29 minutes. That means every life points we get, it depends on the length of that survey. And please be noted that every survey you take, please answer it correctly. And please answer it truthfully. You can also take quizzes to participate with their community. For example, what's your online dating personality? In case you joined any online dating apps here, you will take the quiz regarding with your online dating personality, but at times you can see there are no points this time. So you can take the quiz now just for fun or take the survey instead. You can also check your email Co's life points, sending us emails whenever we received a brand new surveys. The question is, how many life points do we need to earn and make a payout? That's a good question, and now we will go to the rewards section. Here in the redemption section, you can redeem your points via Zalora. What I like the most about this website, we can redeem $4 PayPal only for 285 life points. Make at least 10 surveys only and you can get $5 from PayPal that easily. The second one, to get $9 in PayPal, you need to have at least 570 life points. And last, for the $1 PayPal redemption, you need at least 1130 life points. And for the proof of withdrawal, that's how easy we can make money online just by answering surveys and participating with their community. And I hope this video helps you to earn from PayPal. And guys, believe me, you can make money online without investment. This is just a short video tutorial, but don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching.